Hey, what's going on, y'all? We back with another shoe review. This time I have yet another Puma Suede review. This Puma Suede, just ordered it from Hibbett. This is black and I believe high risk red. Like I said, you all get to see me open the box. This is my first time looking at them, so you all get to see how they look with me. So, this colorway is officially called Puma Black and Cherry Tomato. So it's a Suede Classic 11, 9.5 is true to size. It's the size I wear. Now let's see what we look like. So, take these out. Has a sort of bright tomato look, almost has a little reddish orange tint to it. This time it comes with red fat laces instead of white fat laces. I'm not sure if I'll keep the red fat laces. I'll put them in to see how they look, but I might end up ordering some black fat laces or some white fat laces. I feel like white fat laces would still look a little better. And then right here we have the other shoe. So that red pops. So Puma Suede, they retail for 70 bucks. I got these on sale. Hibbett Sports had a 20% off sale, and 20% off, and plus I had a $10 reward, so I only got them for $48 and change. $48 and change, plus the shipping was free since I'm a member of the Hibbett's rewards program. But there you have it, another Puma Suede review. Like, comment, subscribe. Will you be picking up this color? Let me know in the comments. So I know this might sound crazy coming from me, but this might actually be the first pair that I actually keep the original laces in. I don't think I'll be filling these with the red fat laces, but if you got this pair and you put the red laces in, let me know how you like it. But yeah, this is Puma Suede Black and Cherry Tomato.